Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder all-wheel drive. And on the interior, with power windows and door locks, memory seat, heated seats, has a heated steering wheel, also navigation with AM, FM, and XM, also has a CD player, and the dual sunroofs. This 2017 Pathfinder has a 3.5 liter paired with a CVT transmission and all-wheel drive. And moving on to the passenger compartment, with heated seats on the outboard positions, has DVD players in the headrests, and also two seats just tucked away here in the back as well. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.